Hi everyone, how you doing? So today we're going to be testing another color combination. It's going to be white, mint green, and cadmium red. So they were all Monte Mart paints. So again, the Monte Mart pouring acrylics, which is already pre-mixed, but I've got them in these little bottles. I ran some workshops just recently and it was easier to put things into the little bottles, so I'm just using up paint at the moment. And I just thought it'd be nice because usually I put a metallic into everything, and I thought, well, let's try one without a metallic. So before I start, I just wanted to say thanks so much for visiting my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you're enjoying the content, please like, subscribe, comment. It's been fun reading everyone's comments and what they have to say. And it's actually been a fun little series to do these baubles. Like I've enjoyed it immensely, and just testing out different colors, and it's actually been a lot of fun. Cup's ready, my little cup ready, and we're just going to get started. I think what I'll do is I'll put the white between these two colors. So my little cup is ready with the red in it. I'm trying to decide what pour to do. I go around in circles, but I kind of feel like a tree ring could be quite nice in this with these colors. But I'm going to try and make it a bit of a loose tree ring, not a tight one. So it kind of does what it's doing, like almost like a lollipop. Oh, please travel into the neck. It's quite pretty. Don't know. Looks a bit like candy cane, like a candy cane bauble. Like Christmas. What would feel like you want to eat it. Unfortunately though, I got a blob of green here, which I don't like, but I don't think I can do too much about it, so just leave it. It'll travel down and create its own sort of pattern. It's actually not bad, I know for me it would have looked nicer with the gold in it, but I do have I think an over-reliance on metallics when it comes to baubles, so I thought I wanted to see what it was like to pour one without a metallic in it. And because I was using the white, sometimes white doesn't really work well with metallics. It goes a little bit, it's kind of like breaks up, which I don't like. So not bad. Different. I'd be curious to hear what you guys think. And if you're interested, I have actually got a Bauble e-course on Udemy. I'll provide the link below. It sort of gets you completely set up on how to, how to set up your workspace and everything. And there's all sorts of different pouring styles I do in that one. This is just one of the different styles and different ideas. So, and it's not very expensive. But otherwise, please definitely subscribe, and thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it. So I just wanted to show you the end result of this bauble pour. I don't really know if I like it. Probably maybe it's my least favorite one. I thought it would be really nice, but it just, I don't know, it just looks a bit candy caney to me. But then the top looks very pretty, and all around the sides looks nice, and even the bottom, so it poured nicely. I just not sure about the color combination, but I really appreciate you watching. Thank you for being here.